Zahid. Today I will share some quotes of Jane Rohan. If you want to change, change. Take responsibility for where you are and trust you have the capabilities to learn and grow enough to get where you want to go. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Don't say, if I could, I would. Say, if I can, I will. When it comes to how we live our lives, all of us have two choices. We can choose to take control of the day, get on the front foot, and believe we can change our reality. Or we can be at the mercy of circumstance, believing we can only respond to reality. I challenge you to find any great human being who allowed life to dedicate their reality. Thank you.